Welcome to the wonderful world of okra. Often overlooked, this humble vegetable boasts a unique texture and impressive health benefits. Don't let its fuzzy exterior fool you. Okra is a nutritional powerhouse waiting to be explored. From its rich vitamin and mineral content to its versatility in various cuisines, okra deserves a place on your plate. Okra, also known as lady's finger, is a warm season vegetable that thrives in tropical and subtropical regions. Its origin can be traced back to Africa, where it has been cultivated for centuries. Today, okra is enjoyed worldwide, adding its distinctive flavor and texture to countless dishes. Join us as we delve into the surprising health benefits of okra, explore the magic of okra water, and uncover easy ways to incorporate this versatile vegetable into your daily diet. Get ready to unlock the power of okra. Okra is low in calories and packed with essential nutrients. It is an excellent source of dietary fiber, which is crucial for digestive health. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevents constipation, and promotes a healthy gut microbiome. This wonder vegetable is also a good source of vitamins and minerals. It provides significant amounts of vitamin C, an antioxidant that boosts immunity and protects against cell damage. Okra is also rich in vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and bone health. Furthermore, okra contains folate, a B vitamin crucial for cell growth and development, making it particularly beneficial for pregnant women. It also provides essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which contribute to heart, muscle, and bone health. Beyond its culinary uses, okra offers a unique health elixir, okra water. Made by soaking okra pods in water, this drink is believed to have numerous health benefits. Okra water is a good source of soluble fiber which can help lower cholesterol levels. The soluble fiber in okra water binds to cholesterol in the gut, preventing its absorption into the bloodstream. This, in turn, can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Okra water is also said to help regulate blood sugar levels. The fiber content in okra water slows down sugar absorption from the gut, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar. This makes it a potentially beneficial drink for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Adding okra to your diet is easier than you might think. Its mild flavor profile makes it a versatile ingredient that complements various dishes. One of the simplest ways to enjoy okra is to sauté it with onions and tomatoes. The okra will release its signature slime, which acts as a natural thickener for the dish, creating a stew-like consistency. Roasted okra is another delicious option. Toss the pods with olive oil, salt and pepper, and roast them in a preheated oven until tender and slightly charred. The high heat brings out okra's natural sweetness and creates a crispy exterior. Okra can also be battered and fried, pickled, or added to soups and stews. Ready to get cooking with okra? Here are a couple of quick and easy recipes to get you started. For a taste of the southern US, try this simple fried okra recipe. Slice okra pods into 1/4 inch rounds. In a bowl, whisk together cornmeal, flour, salt and pepper. Dredge the okra slices in the cornmeal mixture, ensuring they are evenly coated. Heat oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Fry the okra slices in batches until golden brown and crispy. Serve immediately with your favorite dipping sauce. For a healthier option, try roasted okra with lemon and herbs. Toss whole okra pods with olive oil, salt, pepper, lemon juice, and your choice of herbs like thyme, rosemary, or oregano. Spread the okra in a single layer on a baking sheet. Roast in a preheated oven until tender and slightly charred. When selecting okra, look for pods that are firm, bright green, and free from blemishes. Avoid pods that are limp, dull in color, or have soft spots. Smaller pods tend to be more tender, while larger ones can be tougher. Store fresh okra in the refrigerator, wrapped in a paper towel and placed in a perforated plastic bag. This will help absorb excess moisture and keep the okra fresh for up to 3 days. Okra can also be frozen for later use. Blanch the pods in boiling water for a few minutes, then shock them in ice water to stop the cooking process. Pat the okra dry and freeze in airtight containers or freezer bags. While okra is generally safe for consumption, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects. Okra contains oxalates, naturally occurring compounds found in some vegetables. While oxalates are usually harmless, high intake can contribute to kidney stone formation in susceptible individuals. If you have a history of kidney stones, it's best to moderate your okra consumption. Additionally, okra's mucilage, the slimy substance it releases when cooked, can cause digestive issues in some people. If you experience bloating or gas after eating okra, try cooking it with acidic ingredients like tomatoes or lemon juice to help break down the mucilage. Okra is a relatively easy crop to grow, making it a sustainable choice for both small gardens and large-scale agriculture. It thrives in warm climates and requires minimal water and fertilizer compared to other vegetables. Its ability to grow in various soil conditions makes it an adaptable crop for different regions. Furthermore, okra's leaves and stems can be used as animal fodder, reducing waste and promoting a circular economy. Its seeds can be pressed to extract oil, which has various industrial and culinary applications. Okra's versatility extends beyond the kitchen, making it a valuable crop for sustainable agriculture and economic development. Okra holds cultural significance in various parts of the world. In West Africa, it is a staple ingredient in many traditional dishes, often used in soups, stews, and sauces. Its mucilage is prized for its thickening properties, adding a unique texture to these dishes. In the southern United States, okra is a culinary icon, featured prominently in soul food and Creole cuisine. Its association with these cuisines reflects the historical and cultural exchange between Africa and the Americas. From gumbo to jambalaya, okra's distinctive flavor and texture have become an integral part of Southern culinary traditions. Beyond its culinary uses, okra also holds symbolic meaning in some cultures. Okra, with its unique texture, impressive nutritional profile, and culinary versatility, deserves a place in every kitchen. From boosting your fiber intake to adding a touch of Southern charm to your meals, okra offers a world of possibilities. Don't be afraid to experiment with different cooking methods and flavor combinations to discover your favorite ways to enjoy this versatile vegetable. So the next time you're at the grocery store, pick up some fresh okra and unlock its culinary potential. Your taste buds and your body will thank you.